I'm Shay Russell from mining.com.au, and joining me today is Mitch Thomas from Solis Minerals. Mitch, it's great to see you again. How are you?
Yeah, great to see you, Shay. Doing very well from our side.
Now, it certainly actions all stations at your Ilo Este project over in Peru. Could you please give us a rundown of some of the activities that have been happening in recent weeks?
Yep, so look, big news. So, as a bit of a recap, we did a raise in February, and a lot of the, I guess, investors came on board because of interest in Ilo Este. And look, we announced a few weeks ago that we received drilling permits. So, it's actually right at this point in time, we have a rig being set up on site. It will start drilling probably in the next 24 to 48 hours, and we'll get that release out to the market. But the real attraction for Ilo Este is that we've got a lot of previous drilling there, which a lot of it was performed by Rio Tinto about 22 years ago. And it was very prospective, so significant from a geological perspective. But look, we've had the benefit of I guess, more time, better technology, and we found some targets that haven't been tested. And look, it's very exciting for us because we think there are the makings here of a large porphyry system, and that's what our 5,000 meter program will test. So right now really is the I guess the genesis of big things to come. So it's an incredible time for our company.
So let's delve into the details there of what this 5,000 metre drill program looks like. How many targets are you planning on testing over the course of these meters?
Yeah, look, so we have two, I guess, two blobs of mag anomalies, so a northern and a southern, and we're going to do a diamond drill program. So we'll probably go down to about 500 or 600 meters, maybe a little bit deeper if we've got continuation in the mineralization. But the good thing about this ore body is that there is mineralization from surface. So look, as we did with Chancho Al Palo, and we're pending assays for Chancho Al Palo. So that's kind of the second catalyst, which I think shareholders can look forward to, is that as we get information from the assays, visuals, we've got a LIBS machine just to kind of confirm what we're seeing. We'll be dripping information into the market. So we're hoping to see a lot of copper and gold. And look, we're confident that the work that we've done will support that, I guess, that thesis being proven correct.
So obviously we have pending assays as well as some drilling happening. But what other activities can investors look forward to hearing about over the next 6 months?
Yeah, so look, I'll hit it very quickly. So three things. It's the assays for Chancho Al Palo. So, we did three holes. We got down to an average depth of about 650, 660 meters. So those assays will be with us shortly. We'll digest them and we'll put a release out into the market. And look, we had mineralization in each hole. So, we're excited about what the story will tell from those results. As I mentioned, the second point is that number two, Ilo Este drilling. So there's no denying that this is our flagship project, given the existing drill hole data and the strength of the geophysics that we've done. And so really excited to start drilling there and to get that information into the market. And then we've also got Cinto, this third project. So this is to the south of an existing very large copper mine in Peru called Toquepala. And look, the amount of geochem, so copper at surface at this project is incredible. The IP that we released into the market was very strong. So we'll be drilling there as well. So, I mean, really just to summarize for shareholders, for what is a very small company, so, capped at $12 million Aussie at the moment, if we get a run on one or two or all three of these projects, we think there's a lot of upside for shareholders. So, a great time to be strapped in.
Certainly sounds like it. Listen, thank you very much for your time today, Mitch, and I look forward to catching up with you soon.
Thank you, Shay.